Yeah, good afternoon everyone. I'm Emir Pronton. I'm the sales manager of VinFast Acropolis C5 Libis. So let me introduce to you our 2025 VinFast BF3 Mini Electric SUV. So to begin with, it comes with a sporty looking front fascia with LED headlamps with signature VinFast emblem. More so, this mini electric SUV has hill descent control and hill start assist as part of the active safety features. This vehicle is using size 16 steel rim, and then for the braking system, this vehicle is also equipped with disc brake on front and drum brake at the back. For the suspension, BF3 is using MacPherson strut on front and torsion beam at the back that gives you a more comfortable ride. At the rear portion of BF3, so it comes with this sporty looking tail lamp with 2-eye parking sensors. So I want to show you guys the cargo space of this BF3. So the rear seats, it could be folded 100%. That gives you a decent cargo space with a 285 liters. So for the charging port, BF3 is using CCS2 type. Yeah, for the interior of BF3, so we have this spacious legroom and headroom, best in class in the category of mini SUV. For the dashboard, we have this elegant looking dashboard made from premium materials. So to begin with, we have this electronic power steering wheel. So it also comes with touchscreen infotainment system. For safety, this vehicle also has airbags, and all doors are equipped with side impact beams. Aside from that, as you can see, this vehicle also has a good-looking fabric seats made from premium materials. Yeah, for BF3, the shifting lever is also attached to your steering wheel. So it also comes with electronic parking brake. And BF3 has a superb air conditioning system. For warranty coverages, BF3 for the battery warranty comes with 10-year warranty or 200,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. For vehicle warranty, so it comes with 7-year warranty or 160 kilometers, whichever comes first. That gives you a worry-free ownership. Again, I'm Emir Pronton, your sales manager from VinFast Acropolis under Centro Motors. Yeah, sa automobile ko, sigurado, klaro at warantisado.